Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering today. Microsoft pulls then reissues Windows 11 preview update. Also begins force updating Windows 11. Microsoft released a non-security preview update for Windows 11 9 days ago, but due to installation issues faced by some users, the company pulled it and reissued another update with fixes. In related news, as Windows 11 version 24 H2 nears its end of life in October, Microsoft is force updating users to the latest version. Acoustic drone detection on the cheap with ESP32. Acoustic drone detection is made affordable by TN666's Batear project, which uses an ESP32S3 and an ICS-43434 I2S microphone with a total cost of $15. The device employs acoustic detection rather than expensive radar modules to detect drones, taking inspiration from older acoustic detection methods such as the Japanese war tubas. Furthermore, the ESP32 processes the acoustic data locally using Goertzel filters instead of relying on cloud-based processing, addressing privacy concerns. Alama is now powered by MLX on Apple Silicon in preview. Alama has introduced a preview version of its platform powered by MLX on Apple Silicon, significantly enhancing performance for tasks such as coding agents and personal assistants. The new implementation leverages the unified memory architecture in MLX, resulting in a large speedup across all Apple Silicon devices, particularly on M5 chips, where it utilizes GPU neural accelerators to boost time-to-first token (TTFT) and generation speed. Alama 0.19 is expected to perform even better with Int4 quantization. Tubi manages to turn people against recommendations with bad AI branding. Tubi, a streaming service owned by Fox Corporation, has launched a native streaming app for ChatGPT and integrated AI into its recommendation algorithms in an attempt to appeal to Gen Z viewers. However, early feedback suggests that this move may be backfiring, as some users are expressing dissatisfaction with the AI-driven recommendations. $500 GPU outperforms Claude Sonnet on coding benchmarks. Atlas is an open-source, self-hosted coding assistant built on intelligent inference infrastructure, running on a single consumer GPU for fractions of a cent per task. It wraps a frozen local model with a pipeline that plans before generating, verifies output against constraints, and repairs failures through self-generated test feedback. The system offers tool call routing, grammar enforcement, safety limits, and a multi-phase code generation pipeline. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.